Never value your health until you're in hospital, surrounded by people praying for one more day. You never value your life until you walk through a cemetery and realize every name once turned into a date. You never value your peace until anxiety steals your sleep, and war teaches you how loud fear can be. We chase money, we chase approval, and we forget to protect what keeps us alive. Life is short, brutally short. Tomorrow is not a promise. So, slow down. Hold the people you love. Raise your body. Guard your mind. Enjoy every moment while you still have. Because one day, this moment right here will be the one you miss the most.